Right, before we start this video and go any further, we have an announcement to make. What the fuck is that you're wearing?
It's my new coat. What are you laughing about? Is it not very nice?
No, it's sound now.
I got this from America.
I know. Was it expensive?
No, it's dead cheap. It was in the outlet village.
Super cheap prices.
It's very cheap. Come on, let's go anyway.
Right, tell us why we're here today.
The RS4, because I don't say so anymore, the RS4 is getting an oil cooler courtesy of Forge.
Yes.
So thank you very much for that. And it's got an oil leak. We have Greg, the master technician.
We do have.
And Greg's got an announcement. He's bought a Clio.
Yeah, but you've not bought it for you though, have you? Where's it gone? You bought it for your mate?
Bought it for my mate, but...
Is that how you're... And this is the compromising position here,
It's for me mate, but I'm looking at getting a 182.
Oh really? That's the Mark II Clio, isn't it?
Yeah, so I can beat you that round.
Nah, give us a break,
But
mate.
supposedly, it's the 172, supposedly better.
172.
172, 182, 197, 200. Which one's the better one? The 172 because it's cheaper.
Yeah.
not though.
Are they not anymore?
Should be.
Listen, don't go too close to the car because you'll get dust on your new coat.
Hey, this coat, right? You don't even know what I'm going to say to you.
Why, go on.
I got 2 new coats. 2? Yeah, I bought 2. Do you know why I bought 2?
Absolute
because
baller.
before I left for Vegas, I thought I need a new coat for when I get back because it's February, innit? So I bought a new coat before I left. But then I seen this one in Vegas and it was very cheap prices. So I
Why
bought
do you
it.
even have coats that big in Vegas? Why? What's the point?
Hey, it was cold in Vegas.
Give us a twirl.
Do you know what on the news they were saying? It's 50.
Woohoo!
It's 50 degrees in Vegas, right? And they were moaning, oh, it's dead cold, it's dead cold. It's like, you want to come here?
I know, yeah. It's
30
Baltic out
degrees.
there. Freezing. There's an oil leak from the sump, like resealed, shockingly
Yeah, that's what I
bad.
said. I told everybody.
And then obviously the Forge oil cooler, which goes in the one at the back or the front?
One at the back.
One at the back, right, Sam.
Right.
So can you tell everybody, if nobody's watched the previous videos on this car,
Right.
we've attempted to do this previously, right?
Yes.
Why did we not do it?
Because there
Greg
was
wasn't here. That's
no.
what it was.
Well, that is that.
Massive
You
tech
setting
on
it
it.
up for failure, yeah?
No.
Everything's going to
Greg,
snap.
I tell you what, there's a reason we didn't do this.
No,
What
it was because there was a big oil leak. So Jamie was like, "Oh, we'll just leave that for Greg to do."
Yeah, he's your mate, isn't he, Jamie? So we're just going to show people what you get with a Forge
Oil cooler.
You get a nice sticker for your whatever.
you want
car. You get a beer opener.
Always need a bottle opener and a nice key ring.
A beer opener, it's not a bottle opener. It opens beers.
That's it.
What's it made out of?
I don't know. What is this made out of?
Mild steel.
Is that what it is?
Who knows?
Not Ali.
Looks it.
And then these hoses look substantial. So am I right in saying that most people change these for the Forge oil cooler because usually it's these that go like round here on the OEM ones. These are shit.
So this is actually quite an expensive piece of kit. Is this like...
I think they're about £1,000.
Yeah.
I think.
You can see where your money is because the actual quality of the unit is...
Yeah. It looks really good, doesn't it?
Looks nice. When it goes on, it'll look good.
It'll look mega.
I mean, that's if you get it on, Greg. Because like I was saying, there was issues before.
So we've got a new sump. Is that the seal and stuff? Is it getting serviced as well? Oh, I forgot about this. I actually did forget that we were servicing it as well. So you can do all this, Lee.
Yeah, you can get started now.
I'll do it, mate. That is actually no. Hold on. There you go.
Where are you going?
New coat on.
Oh, you have got your new coat on, yeah?
Tell you where I'm going. Butty shop.
Yeah, put this one on.
That's a work coat.
You can have a new
exactly.
old coat.
You're having a fucking laugh, you mate.
Right, do you want anything from the butty shop?
No, I'm alright, thank
You sure?
Yeah.
Right, let's go.
You don't know this, but Ben's been gone for an hour and a half. Just whatever you've been doing. Me and Greg have been doing this car, right? So I will...
You and Greg.
Yeah, it wasn't me and Greg. So I'll tell you where we're up to.
Go on.
This oil cooler,
I'm assuming this is the old one.
that is the old one.
Right, yeah.
All knackered.
Yeah.
That is the original part as well.
Right.
That's done 160,000 miles, right?
Not bad, not bad.
This oil cooler, if you remember,
Yeah.
used to be down here,
Right.
but because Greg is like, he's confident and he's good at his job, he said we'll move it.
So you can do that, yeah? Or is that how it's supposed to be?
That's how it's supposed to be.
In the meantime, we're bored watching Greg. Sorry, Greg, but it's pretty boring.
It is.
Watching an oil cooler being put on. So I feel sorry for you guys. We're going to pick up the RS4 wheels.
You may be wondering what car we're in though.
We're in the Mercedes.
We're in a Mercedes A35. Paul, very kindly from Dorenza, has lent this to us. We're just going to have a little razz around.
Right, this is the funniest thing ever. This RS3 in front, we've just been hooning it around. And now, oh, he's still giving it a bit.
Go on, lad.
But the police are in front now.
And the Citroen Zara, I think that's probably holding him up more than the coppers are.
Give it some.
Look at him, he was fucking hooning it around before. You alright there, mate?
Yeah, you're all right there. So if you remember, these were the wheels that were on this car originally. And what we did was, we bought these wheels from the guy in Birmingham, which were a bit bent. We made them OEM. We swapped the tyres off that onto there. We put them on there. That's going on the track car. So hopefully we can get all the stuff out of there into here and put it on the Avant. In the meantime, we did get a puncture somewhere. We don't know where, because it's just a puncture.
We think
we're going
it
to
is.
take that back to Rada.
Yeah, it could be the valve. They said it might be the valve or something, so hopefully it's not a puncture.
Yeah,
and it
so-
is just a valve.
Yeah, we're just hoping it's something. So they said take it back and they'll fix it. But it still does need some sorting out because all the paint's all sanding down from when it had the wrap. So we do need to get it in at Sean's. But like we've said before, this is probably going to cost the best part of maybe £1,000 to fix.
I would say so, if not a bit more, yeah.
Maybe a bit more. And we still got to do the back seats, which people keep saying. But we don't have anyone in the back, so we don't need to do it, do we?
No, but we are going to do that. We are in contact with somebody to get all that sorted, so bear with us with that. In the meantime, do you want to put that down and put the other wheels in?
So we thought we were going to get away. My furniture's turned up, so you can give us a lift.
You don't pay me anything, especially not enough for this.
Come on, hurry up.
Is this all of all that? Not that.
Come on, stop slacking.
Are you alright there, mate?
Come on. We've got places to go here today. While we're here, come on, status update, sit rep.
Well, that's the old sump, right? So you can see all the shit round it. That's all obviously the old, and it's on the inside. So what worries us a little bit is that how much shit has dropped in it. This is new. Is it going on now?
Yeah.
Oh yes. Go on,
Perfect.
then.
Why do you want a job?
No, I don't. Go on.
Can Benji do it? Can Benji do it?
I trust you.
Can he do it? Yeah, do something.
Right, new bolts, yeah.
Going in that, yeah.
Anytime.
Oh
today.
yeah. Hey, these are a tight thread. These,
Make sure you don't cross thread it.
and the thingy's oily.
Are you left-handed, you?
No, I'm not cack-handed. There you go. Right, I just need to go and wash my hands again.
Off to Rada now, get the wheel sorted. Ryan at Rada, he has as many holidays as me.
Why has he been on holiday?
Yeah, he's been on holiday.
Where's he been?
I don't know. Mexico, I think.
How'd you get to that way? Right.
Yeah, right, yeah. So, I was going to blame you, right?
Obviously,
You are
obviously.
professional, so it's just a valve, right?
Just a valve.
Just
They,
a valve.
they do that when they're old.
Yeah.
So we normally replace them, you see, we'll use the skin flints. So we didn't want to do it.
I agree with you.
Yeah, we are skin flinch,
We don't really
yeah.
have as money to be getting new
Well,
valves.
that is a visual representation of you. Old and starting to leak.
Old valves, you do something new, yeah. Thanks to the lads at Rada, Rye and the lads for fixing the valve. Only a cheap little thing, didn't even charge us for it. Talking about not charging for things, if you want to get mates rates at Rada for the wheels, refurbishment and, you know, tarting the stuff up, Evil GT10,
Yeah.
or just mention us and you'll get mates rates,
And
hopefully.
we didn't even have to mither Ryan for that, did we?
No,
He
we-
just went, right lads, what can I do for you guys and your followers? There you go, that's what we do for you.
So in true Evil GT style, it went wrong for Greg. We weren't here because we were getting the wheels sorted
Yeah.
out. There should have been 27 bolts in this. Well, there is 27 bolts in the sump.
Yeah.
26 went in, and the last one,
There was no Fred.
no, and it had been siliconed in. So we took it off,
retapped the, did whatever he did. Anyway, he's put the bolt back in.
Yeah.
And it's all good.
Yeah.
So the plugs have been done, and all the stuff's been done.
Easy peasy.
And it's in tip-top condition.
And we weren't even here to see it.
No.
The disaster.
It now stands at well over 10 grand, surely.
I don't really know. We'll have to work that out.
Yeah, next video we'll work out how much we spent.
We'll work it out. Shall we work it out and say how much it was on a podcast? And for those who don't know the podcast, seamless, mate, seamless.
£3 a month plus VAT.
Plus VAT, yeah. We don't get the £3 a month plus VAT. We get a bit less. I don't know where the VAT goes. But Patreon, Evil GT podcast. Go and check it out. Thanks very much.
So a little sneak preview of the calipers. I can't remember what they had. They had Aston Martin on them.
They did.
But
Well,
now-
they still have technically.
Yeah,
But
but you're not going to see that.
no, you just see
That's the
them.
main bit. These are getting done hopefully tomorrow. They look
Mega
they
then.
look good. But the bit I'm most impressed about is they were like that, or like what do you call it, a cast?
Mottled.
Like a cast.
Yeah, it's
And it's
just
been-
a factory finish, just literally the standard. Yeah,
But it's been
raw
sanded
cast.
back to be smooth, and obviously the M badge put in there.
So that'll go like that or that way.
Yeah, so he was going to try and fill it, because what he does with AP calipers, it's so finely cut on an AP racing one, he uses a syringe to fill it with paint and then lacquers over it. Because that was so shallow and it sort of bled from the edge, he said it just wouldn't have worked. So he literally spent loads of time getting that smooth so he could use a proper logo on it.
No, that's good. I'm well happy with that.
That means it's a
Nice.
bigger bill though, innit? I heard spent loads of time on sanding stuff down.
I haven't heard about a bill. I don't want to know about a bill. All I know is
They look
OEM
good.
Plus. We said we're going to keep the
Yeah.
car. That is definitely OEM Plus. Looks good. That.
Yeah, there you go. Vroom.
Oh, that's the wrong way.
What? No, it's not. Fucking smashed that there, mate. You leave this to me. So we're putting the silver ones back in, not the black ones, yeah? So if anyone's got a motorbike,
Yes.
then and they need 2 wheels, these will be on eBay very soon.
What are you doing now? What's so difficult about putting a wheel on?
It's the wrong rotation or something, you were saying. What the fuck's going on here?
What do you need doing
A
here?
fucking bolt. You stood there with the camera.
Yeah, I'm filming something.
What's going down the back of my neck?
I don't know, I'm filming it though. Yeah.
No, I just need this. Fucking hell, you nearly took my hand off.
What are you fucking passing me for?
I need that.
We'll take it off
I
then.
can't get it off. It's quite nice actually.
So what are we on now? 25?
25 mil.
Bear in mind, these are ET29. These are the stock wheels, which
Yeah.
are already offset to the right.
Yeah, I reckon.
So the biggest to go up to is 20. Do you reckon you get away with 20s, or do you reckon
we're gonna
that'd
have
still
to,
be...
because we can't have anything else on it, can we?
Well, you can get bigger hub-centric spaces, can't you?
So Jamie there, head of good ideas in Awesome, has just give us a good idea. So drop the car,
Yeah.
see if the wheels come out, because we just ordered 25s,
Yeah.
but that's without any weight on the rear end.
Let's see how we get on. We also need a new exhaust for this, and Stainless Creations have said, we'll do it for you boys, you know, because their other exhaust was mega. We just need somebody to take it up to Scotland and back for nothing. If anyone fancies.
Go on, tell us what we're doing.
So, in order to fit the bumper to the car properly, there's like extra brackets that you need. So there's a bit of plastic bracket that goes at the bottom of the wing that connects to the bumper. Then there's a bit that goes in, but we don't know what they look like, what they're supposed to look like. Tabby does, so he's going to hopefully help us to order them, so that when we manage to find a grill, I don't know when that's going to be, we can put the bumper on and crack on with it.
Yeah, that's fine. But I'll tell you one thing, there's one thing that worries me in this office. This your office, Simon? I mean, super lube.
Why do you need to have that at arm's length? So there we go, RS4's bit more progress. It's always slow and steady, isn't it? Always.
It's never going to get finished in one video, but we
Or
are
10.
making just tiny little steps forward. The bumper, Tabby's just ordered all the screws and stuff
Yeah.
to put it in.
Yeah.
We need to do the airbox. The spacers are coming. They'll be 2 weeks, maybe a full day, and this car's going to be sort of ready for the track.
Yeah.
And then it'll be the biggest anticlimax going.
No, it
'Cause
won't.
We'll take it around. It'll be like a boat.
It'll be shit hot, that car, telling you right now.
But as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Hopefully it's a little bit more entertaining than this one, because I feel like with this car we've got absolutely nothing done, but progress is progress. Don't forget, sign up to the podcast, because you're missing out. £3 a month plus that, and if you don't sign up quick, we're going to put it up because we need some more money
Yeah, we do, yeah.
to pay for stuff like this.